friends, I am Taran and I am here to make a wireless dish that is chocolate biscuit pudding. So, firstly we start with the ingredients, that is marigold biscuits, chocolate, warm milk, and to make your pudding attractive, we can take gems or you can take chopped almond also. So, firstly we start, take a marigold biscuit and dip it in the warm milk. Take another one and dip it in warm milk. Repeat this process as much you want your pudding to be bigger. Covered it with chocolate. That's it. Put some gems on it. You can also put almonds on it. So, pudding is ready and we are going to freeze it for 5 to 10 minutes. After freezing it, we are now to taste it. Wow, it is too yum. Now, you make at home and goodbye for now.